Learn English by speaking की lesson सी मखाताना कोई mayamda kudol tamjage kuna daily life conversation nuti ki wari saba morning routine ayuki koina tawriba morning routine si matanga meitailon manipuri meitailon to english to meitailon sida kai kana tawjage idana good morning what are you doing now Kurumjari adum hojik kari tawbiri bage aina hangai ko adage mo agi my wife sina my sida e ko wife sina b ko mapur sida hangai good morning what are you doing now Kurumjari adum hojik kari tawbiri bage b mapur ibisina khumena khalasi good morning Kurumjari I am having breakfast right now Hey, how's Hey, Chara Wali. And what about you? Aduga Adom di Kaido Vidi. Is not wife's not comment. I am putting clothes in the washing machine. After that, I'll get ready for work. Hey, washing machine da phi sunaba phi ron sing hapchili chi gi sing sil lo matung da ai thabak sakani bina dai di oh really oh sing na ta sing ko at what time do you go to the office today nasi ki karam kanda nang office sakado ise kanana my lupi no kuma yes boy I usually go to the office at 9 o'clock I mausana dum pung mapan da office sakadi what are your plans for today ngasi ji nang kari thaurang tawge kaidoge na khange kari thaurang tawi no an hange the b na kuma I'm going to the market to buy some groceries ai ngasi je kaithen da sakadauri imungi sakungi koisana thangna na bo chai thara leina ba sakadauri kume already ina mukume okay fare I am busy with office work ai office ki thabak khara yam leire chille so maramaduna I can't go shopping today ngasi di ai kaithen da shopping ko chai leiba satpanga maro been all right yare I'll do the shopping then adui di ai ko leibi do ai dum tawrage should I call you later ai ko na di phone tawrake ko ai yes please tawiro I might be free later in the evening ai numidang waram office ki the corner dia dum ai free oirani sangani ai bina oh okay yeah yare see you later then adu kanda unarsi have a nice day yai fare enamu you too adu unarsi nangsu have a nice day yai fare hoji koina meitelon dagi english ta koina mage vocabulary word khara ko I guess sarawan ba and eating breakfast and dagi phi suba washing machine da adu washing clothes dagi sakhung da changba pochai sana thangna ba khara leiba chatpasi koina buying groceries hai ko adagi phone torokpa to make call is phone torokpa and so my had now you know and easy right and don't forget to like and subscribe learn English by speaking and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to speak English fluently and confidently and you are watching but it is not the right way but you are learning only reading and writing but speaking is the most important for speaking fluently and confidently then bye see you again in the next video bye